Hey guys, welcome back to the 2000 series. First thing I planned today, Jim just got done with that field, and I'm gonna take this tractor to him so he can plant that field, and I'm gonna bring the cultivator home. Then I'm gonna go trade in that truck. So I'll get some seed in here, some fertilizer. Boxes. Wait, I have another field, don't I? I'm gonna plant that back in beans and plant that corn. I'm gonna go to Jim first. Plant the field, Jim just cultivated first. Go, fill it. Let's plant real quick. Oh, plant's folding up. Turn this truck off. Fold the oven. Turn that off. It's folding up. Let that fold up. I'll head over to Jim. I should get some sunshine. It's so cloudy. Better turn my flashlight on. I better get over this way. Going 33. I'm going pretty fast for a tractor. 33 and 23rd gear. You guys probably saw in the thumbnail we're getting a new truck today. So, after I get Jim over here working on this, I'm gonna go trade in the Dodge for something new. And it ain't a Ford. Tell Jim what to do real quick. Tell him to do clockwise and two headlands, and then I'll tell him to go. Jim's going. We'll go over here to the Allis-Chalmers. Which also, I'm probably gonna upgrade the Allis-Chalmers too, to a John Deere. But that'll probably be next episode. So now, I'm keeping the 8000. Turn my flashers on, which are very small. There's no lights on the trailer, on my cultivator. I'm gonna make it, yes. I want to get that power player. Comment down below. Do you think I should start a time-lapse series? I think I might. I think I might do like a Mega Farm time-lapse series. I think that would be really good. And I might do a multiplayer too. Cut the field over. I think that, yeah, that field over there has already been ripped. Where should I put this? Where was the cultivator? Oh, it was sitting right there. Oh, I guess I'll just put it back in. All this stuff is so dirty. I guess I'll clean it off when it rains. Park it right here. see you guys when I'm at the dealership. I'll show you the new truck. Just missed my turn to the dealership, so backing up now. I brought the snowplow with me because it was in the deal, and this snowplow won't fit on that other truck because the other truck doesn't have a plow mount. So, and this truck is gonna be my work truck. My Ford is gonna be kind of like weekend truck. So there she is. Park this thing over here real quick. Turn her off. Nice. Chevy Silverado. What do we got here? 6.2 diesel K30. Oh, that's nice. I like it. You even got the diesel tank on the back. And a gooseneck hitch. I think that thing folds open. This thing's nice. And it was cheap too. So, I'm gonna take this home. Oh, this thing's fast too. And it's got an automatic transmission. I like this thing. I'm gonna go check on Jim real quick. Speed over there. Hopefully there's no cops here. Because brakes. Take your money real quick. I don't know if it's very money though. You guys even done one lap right here? See if we can do donuts. Oh yes we can. Oh, he's on a second lap? That makes no sense. So he's doing a second lap. Let me just check the seat back real quick. Looking good. I should get a roller. That'd be a good investment. I also need a spray, so I need to take my spray around too. See you guys in a bit. And some time wasted on my lawnmower. After some driving. Now that the sprayer's on and mow my lawn, I'm just going, grabbing my gator, and seeing how Jim's doing. Hopefully he's pretty far behind. I don't really want to. I'm kind of tired of playing already. Why does this gator only go 12, 16? I should have took the truck and brought the seat tender too. That would probably have been a better choice. This thing is so slow. So slow. I probably could pull the seat tender with this thing. Why does it make these lines fewer than not right there? pH bad. pH very bad. Mission perfect. I don't know why it's like that either. Now it's not like that over here. I'm not having them again. Now he's halfway through his tank of corn. It's probably the end of the video, guys. Jim's gonna finish this while off camera. See you guys next episode. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and close that post. Don't miss any other episodes. Peace. But I gotta take this really slow drive back to my phone. See you later. Bye.